Simplifying processes is a great way to save time, remove unnecessary stress, and streamline overall workflows. Any time saved on even small tasks can add up to make a big difference in the end, and this is why integrations are always a priority with our EMDECS all-in-one fleet maintenance and management solution. Introducing our Order Tyres integration. You can now check stock, pricing, and ultimately order tires directly through the system, all while having POs automatically synced. An easy-to-find link will open up your order pop-up where you can find exactly what tires you need, without the need to navigate to any other browsers or screens. Once the order is placed, the system will send it off to the vendor and automatically creates and saves the purchase order in EMDECS. These are just a few of the ways EMDECS is helping to save you more time and increase your operations efficiency at every level. Visit brightorder.co.uk to find out more.